Hello everyone, this side Saurabh and let's try this question for 40 minutes and check whether I can solve it or not in 40 minutes. And as time is at 44, then we will try till 24. Okay, so let's read the problem. So the problem is we have to find unique binary string. So we are given this array of strings, nums containing any unique binary strings, each of length n, return a binary string of length n that does not appear in nums. If there are multiple answers, you may return any of them. Okay, so we have given n size of array and also the length of each string is n, and they contain unique binary strings of n length. There we have to check which is not present, the unique of same length, and return that into our answer. So I am thinking of a solution that I will make a map and then store everyone which is given and generate all possible strings of this length and check whether that exists in the map. If I get a one that does not exist, I will return that. So let me try that kind. This is the n, and let me make a map, an ordered map that will contain a string and an integer. That's it. And I will traverse in the given array. I will decrease the size and let's put it out. Now we should generate how to generate in length strings, binary string. If I talk about n length binary string, then each in n length, the minimum I can store all 0 and the maximum I can store all 1. So I can calculate the range and take that into integer, and every integer I will check my converting. So I need two functions. So let me make a string minimum I can store and I have just to calculate the how maximum I can store. Maximum is for all I can store maximum. How max I can store. Maximum is n times 1. What I will do, I will run a for loop for n times and convert that n times 1. Max plus equal of 2 to the power I 2 to the power I into 1, as everyone is 1. Don't need to multiply. Now I have a max value, so I will run a for loop till max, and I will convert that equal to max and convert it to binary. Then I will convert the binary I and then make length 3, make length n, I comma n. Then I will check in the map mp of find I. Here I will get a string, something like no str. Then again we will pass this str and to make the length n, to make length, and if mp dot find this str not equal to the n, that means I have got this in my map. Then I will return this str, and at the end I will get, we will return here only, but also let me return here. This will never execute. Now we just need to implement these two functions, that is convert to binary and make string the of n length. So this convert binary will take a number. I will have an answer. What I will do, I already know that the resultant string I will return will be less than or equal to the n length. Yes, and also I know that if it less than, I will append here. Okay. Correct. So while my n is greater than 0, I will do what? I will answer plus equal. There is a remainder, that is n modulo 2, and n modulo 2 will give me a remainder answer plus equal. I will convert into a string this remainder and add it out. Then n equal to and f. Now I don't need this other function. I just pass the in here, and that is the size. So if my answer is equal to size, no need to do anything. But if my answer dot size is not equal to this n, then there I have to do something. So I'll answer dot size is not equal to size. We will add a 0, and finally I will reverse my answer and return the answer. I think I am done. Just there might be a syntax issue. Yeah, I catch it correctly. I think this is two string. My output comes as 0, 1. Sorry, here should be equal to equal to. I passed the public test case and now test for all test cases. Wow, I passed it. Okay, so it might not be the optimal solution, but we passed it. And if I talk about the time complexity, this is the max. This loop will go till n in the map, and for this two to the power n, this loop max will be 2 to the power n minus 1. I think so. Maximum we go 2 to the power n minus 1 times complexity, and this convert to binary will take log n time complexity 2 to the power n log n type, and BO of n for this map space complexity. Okay, then let's meet later. Bye bye.